Hello, everybody on YouTube. We're going to take you a tour on our weather program that we installed on our computers. So stay tuned for that. We're going to be tuning it right now. So I'm going to turn my computer around and I'm going to take it down here so y'all can see. And I want to take the mouse uh, chip right here and stick it into the computer. So I hope y'all can see that okay. So this is our AWIPS right here. This is our AWIPS. We're watching and monitoring all these. And so I am looking at this cell right here. Um, ain't so there yet. So, so how do we know? How do we know there's a rotation in clouds? Well, they take a look at the want to take a look at the velocity display. Right in here. So this is the velocity. The reds are showing it's moving away from the radar dish, and also the greens is moving towards the radar. So if you see reds and greens to mix, that indicates of a tornado. So uh, what? How are we doing issue warnings? Well, let me show you all that program. Let me see. There we go. Now we go up to here where it says warn gen. And the warning chain comes up, it tells you warning. So it takes a minute to pop up. This thing is so slow. I'm gonna have to reboot this computer. So let's say, for example, we're going to issue a tornado warning for Bastrop County, right there, and we're going to step it back just a little bit, and we're going to take the box, and we're going to issue it for the whole entire county. And if my tracking is correct, and it is going the right path. We're going to issue this tornado warning 50 minutes to about an hour. So that is how you do it. So let's say we're going to choose the uh, CTA, which stands for Call to Action. Um, Safety rules about tornadoes, tornadoes at night, and also one final thing, we hit create text. This will generate the warning for us, which is really cool. But that's pretty cool little stuff what these national weather stars gone through. So we won't be able to send out the warning, but we'll go ahead and cancel that. So, and then our warnings will go to our um, our notebook here, and the notebook will what we'll do. We'll take this notebook pad right here, and we're going to go ahead and highlight all that and copy it, minimize that, and we paste it, and there it is. We just issued a warning, and to save that, we're going to save as, and this is a tornado warning, tornado warning storm. And there it is. Now we can go ahead and paste it again on Facebook. And we'll broadcast it on Facebook and Twitter. Um, so that's how we do it. So, but in this case, since there ain't no warnings on those storms, we'll just go ahead and delete that system. And we're going to go ahead and delete it. And delete it. And don't save. Okay. So there you are. There you go. There you have it. So how do you get rid of this? Well, press clear and it goes away. And reload the radar while you're at it. And we go ahead and reload the radar. Now we're going to go ahead and play the radar. Y'all can tell what I'm doing. Now we got this thing. This is our long-range forecast precipitation. And what that does, what that allows us to do, is to look all the precipitation data. What I can do, take the surface map off and just take a look at that. But I like to keep that on because I want to know what the pressure is. So in this other map, this is our temperature and wind map. Tells us how hot it's supposed to get and how cool it's supposed to get tonight. So right now, I see lower 70s to mid 60s. This is our SQT, and SQT is our what we measure from our weather balloons. This is the red is your temperature, the green is your dew point or humidity, and the blue line is the humidity, I think. So that is how we forecast part of that weather system. And so our last rare thing is our satellite. And satellite is what we monitor as well. But what I do is when I have the radar on here, on this computer, I have the AWIPS right here. And on this computer, I have it on here. So I have two AWIPS. I have two of these. I got one here and one on here. That way I have a radar system on this one and radar and a warning system on this one. The radar on this one is to track storms, and the radar on this one is to warn storms, to warn people the danger storm coming. So we're going to let this go here. And so what that is how we do our forecast. Also, you can also have a cell phone with a bunch of weather apps and stuff. So where is that weather channel? There it is. I had to reinstall it. So yeah. So check out my Facebook page, and there's nothing but weather and Sherwood. So I will be posting a lot of weather forecasts and a lot of bunch of things. Only weather, only. That's it. So it's now 91, partly sunny skies right now. Yeah. Come on in.
So I'm looking at the frozen meals you guys have.
Uh-huh.
Can you hear me? I'm looking at the frozen meals you guys have. You have 4, you have 3. How come you end up having fewer meals every time? Are you eating more than one meal?
No.
A frozen meal a day?
I'll eat one out of those.
How can that be? When we look at the number of meals and you guys are buying enough at the grocery store so that you each have 5 when we get home, you're starting off equal, but you end up having one less than her almost every time.
I know I didn't eat 2 meals.
Well, it looks like you have 3 to me. Maybe you can go look and tell me different. But anyway, say you have 3 right now. That means tonight's Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night. You have enough to last till I get back because I'm coming back on Sunday. Okay? So you have 3 days missed: Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Don't ask your mom to buy you any meals because you need some, all right? Because you don't need it. I'll take you guys out on Sunday when I get home. All right?
All right.
You should have enough burgers or turkey or whatever to eat until I get back also for lunch.
Okay. Stop it.